ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखिया बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 211। प्रवेश श्रुति is discussed, and now what is the complete knowledge of Atma versus what is incomplete knowledge of Atma. There is nobody who has no knowledge of Atma. Means Anubhava is there for everybody. But that Anubhava is in the form of how we saw Pranan, Pranakriyavan in this way. So now further in Bhashya, new paragraph. Tatha Vadan, Vadan Kriyam Kurvan. Vakti iti, Anuswara you have to remove. Vaktim ne, Vakti iti. Vak, Pashyansh Chakshuhu. Chashta iti Chakshur, Drashta. Shrunvan Shrunoti iti Shrotram. इसको तथा वदन, वदन का अर्थ है वदन क्रियाम कुर्वन. वदन क्रिया, the one who is doing, is vakti iti vak. Vadan kriyam kurvan vakti iti vak. This is clear. After that you see pashyans chakshu chaste iti chakshu. Chaste iti chakshu. You leave that for now. Then next, so chakshu drashta. Then shrunvan shrunoti iti shrotram. That is shrota. Vakti iti vak. That is clear. Chakshuhu chaste. Chakshing dhatu. What is the dhatu there? Chakshing vaktayam vachi. This is the dhatu. Chaksh. Like how in Bhashyas many times we say vyachaste. It is given in there. You see Tika second line and last word. Uttar vakyani vyachaste. So vi ang is just upasarga. Chaste is the mool shabda there. So chaste is for vyakhyanam. But here Bhashyakar has used chaste iti chakshuhu. So this dhatu widely it is used only for vyakhyanam. But its another meaning is darshanecha. Darshana also. So please note that down. Because here Bhashyakar has used it in the form of darshana kriya, not vadana kriya. Most dhatu rupas they will show only vaktayam vachi, including in Ashtadhyayi. Only some places they have given darshanecha. Okay? And this is that meaning. So each is doing one kriya. First prana was there. Prana is, see in Tika it is explained. Prana vadanabhyam anukta karmendriya vyaparam upalakshya vakya dvaya tatparyam aha. Prana vadanabhyam anukta karmendriya vyaparam upalakshya. What is upalakshanam?
All other karmendriya.
सति तद इतर ग्राहकत्व. You have to give lakshana, don't give explanation. तद ग्राहकत्वे सति तद इतर ग्राहकत्वम उपलक्षणम. So prana and vadana, what are they? They are prompted by karma. So they are karmendriya. By these two, anya karmendriya vyapara is all covered. Upalakshanam, these two are upalakshanam. वाक्य द्वय तात्पर्यम आह. सीन भाष्य. प्राणन्नेव प्राणो वदन वाक इत्याभ्याम. By these, so this is given in the mantra. Akritsno hi saha. Prananyeva prano nama bhavati vadan vak. This much is from the mantra. Ityabhyam kriya shakti udbhavah pradarshito bhavati. Atma through its maya shakti, which has kriya shakti and vijnana shakti. So kriya shakti udbhavah pradarshito bhavati. Pashyans chakshuhu shrunvan shrotram ityabhyam vijnana shakti udbhavah pradarsyate. So there is kriya shakti and vijnana shakti. Shakti, they are actually only in maya, right? But they express in sukshma sharira. That's why we are able to function. We cannot say we are owning maya, but that maya is expressing in sukshma sharira. Therefore, sukshma sharira is also endowed with two shaktis, kriya shakti and vijnana shakti or jnana shakti. And therefore, in sukshma sharira, antakarana and jnanendriya, they have vijnana shakti udbhava, and prana and karmendriya, kriya shakti udbhava. टीका. प्राण वाग वागादि उपाधि द्वारेण आत्मनि इति शेषः. प्राण वागादि उपाधि द्वारेण आत्मनि आत्मनि प्रदर्शितः. क्रियाशक्ति उद्भवः आत्मनि प्रदर्शितः. आत्मा मीन्स सोपाधिक आत्मा. इन सोपाधिक आत्मा इट इज प्रदर्शित. फर्दर इन टीका. दृष्टि श्रुतिभ्याम अनुक्त ज्ञानेन्द्रिय व्यापारोपलक्षणं कृत्वा अनंतर वाक्य वाक्ययोः तात्पर्यम् आह. दृष्टि श्रुतिभ्याम अनुक्त ज्ञानेन्द्रिय व्यापारोपलक्षणं कृत्वा. So in the Pashyans, in Bhashya, Pashyans Chakshuhu Shrunvan Shrotram, those two are upalakshanam for Anya Jnanendriya. See in Tika, Drishti means Pashyans Chakshuhu, that is Drishti. Shrunvan Shrotram, that is Shruti. Drishti Shruti Bhyam. Anukta Jnanendriya Vyapara Upalakshanam. That Jnanendriya Vyapara which is not said explicitly in Bhashya, its upalakshanam is done by these two. Upalakshanam kritva anantara vakyayoho tatparyam. Vakyayoho means two vakyas. So then you have to understand. One is given here as manvano manaha. In mantra, that is also given. Manvano manaha. Like Pashyan Chakshuhu Shrunvan Shrotram. Then manvano manaha. And thereafter, Tani asya etani karmanamani eva. सयो अतः एकैकम उपास्ते न स वेद अकृत्स्नो हि एषः. पश्यन् इति. So we saw that चक्षुरादि उपाधि द्वारा आत्मनि इति पूर्ववत्. These two वाक्य पश्यन् चक्षुः शृण्वन् श्रोत्रम्. उक्त बुद्धीन्द्रिय व्यापाराभ्याम अनुक्तम तद व्यापारम उपलक्ष्य आत्मनः स्पष्टत्वादि परिच्छेदो न सिद्ध्यति संबंधम विना उपलक्षण अयोगात् इति आशंक्य आह नाम रूप। बुद्धि इंद्रिय व्यापाराभ्याम, with the help of buddhi and all the indriyas, with all of them, anuktam, yad anuktam, what is not said, tad vyaparam upalakshya, all of that you understand is upalakshanam. Atmanah sprashtruttvadi parichhedo na siddhyati. But how Atma will become sprashta, etc.? Sambandham vina upalakshana ayogat. So, some sambandha is required. Means Atma can be all this, having Jnana Shakti, Ichha Shakti, Karana, etc. But you need Nama Rupa with which it will create Sambandha. So that is why Nama Rupa Vishayatvad Vijnana Shakti. Vijnana Shakti also is another Nama Rupa. So that Vijnana Shakti, and then it will express along with. See, in our Vedanta, when you say Ayam Pataha, so this Pata is actually Vijnanam. Patattvavachinna Chaitanya or Patavachinna Chaitanya. Ghata means Ghatavachinna Chaitanya. In Vedanta Paribhasha, it will come soon. So here it is said, it is referring to Vijnanam. Namarupa is also Vijnanam, and Vijnana Shakti is also another Namarupa. Means everything is Namarupa only. Shrotra Chakshushi Vijnanasya Sadhane Vijnanam tu Namarupa Sadhanam. To gain the knowledge of Shrotra, Chakshu, etc., Vijnanam is Namarupatmaka Sadhanam. Namarupa Sadhanam means Prakashakam. Vijnanam is Namarupa Prakashakam. 10 number tippani. Tika. Prakashya Prakashaka Atirikta Jnaya Abhavat. Tad upalambhe cha chakshuhu shrotrayorriva tvagaderapि karanatvad ekarthatva. So this sometimes they give the number in between, but that is not the space actually. Okay. Karanatvad ekarthatva rupa sambandhat upalakshana sambhavat atmanah sprashtutvadi siddhir ityartha. Sprashta means Atma is the one who has the sensation of touch, toucher, if you want to give, like seer, hearer, etc. How Atma will have the touch sensation is sparsha. Prakashya prakashaka atirikta jnaya abhavat. There is no other jnaya. All jnaya either will be prakashya or prakashaka. Prakashya prakashaka or prakashyena prakashyasya prakashaka atirikta jnayasya abhavat. Here he has given Prakashya Prakashaka as Rupa and Nama, 1670 number tippani. Ghata, when I say Ghata is Prakashya or Prakashaka?
Prakashya.
No, the Shabda, Ghata, it is Prakashaka. Padartha is Prakashya. Ghata Padartha is Prakashya. Prakashya means illumined. Ghata Shabda is Prakashaka. प्रकाश्य प्रकाशो नाम रूप अतिरिक्त ज्ञेय अभावात्. All ज्ञेय is nama rupa only. So here nama rupa means only within सृष्टि he is expressing. तद उपलम्भे च चक्षुश्रोत्रयोरिव त्वगादेः अपि करणत्वात्. त्वगादि is also karanam, like chakshu shrotra etc. एकार्थत्व रूप संबंधात उपलक्षण संभवात. So here also that upalakshanam will work. Just as chakshur shrotra is there, with chakshu he is drashta, with shrotra he is shrota, with tvagindriya he will become sprashta. Sambhavat. Atmanah sprashtatu. Atmana means jivatmanah. तथापि उक्त कर्मेंद्रिय व्यापारेण अनुक्त तद व्यापार उपलक्षणात् आत्मनो न गंतृत्वादि परिच्छेदः संगच्छते विना संबंधम उपलक्षण असिद्धेः इति आशंक्याः क्रिया च. Before that, one sentence is there in Bhashya. Nahi नाम रूप व्यतिरिक्तम विज्ञेयम अस्ति. Prakasha prakashaka or nama rupa. Other than this, nothing else is to be known. Means there is nothing else. Brahma is there, but in Srishti everything is nama rupatmakam. Tayoscha upalambhe karanam chakshu shrotre, and for their upalamba means upalabdhi. For all nama rupa upalabdhi, so this is simplified. Huh? All nama through shrotra, all rupa through chakshu. Rupa means padartha. So in case of ghata, the padartha is known through chakshurindriya. But for example, let's say there is rasa. Rasa, so if you say, I am tiktaha, something is tikta. Tikta, sometimes it is taken as spicy, but sometimes they say bitter. For bitter also they use tikta shabda. So that jnanam of the swada, taste, that is not known through chakshurindriya. It is known only through rasanendriya. But here chakshu shrotre, they are just given as primarily, because primarily all knowledge, if chakshu and shrotra is there, you can get 80% of the padartha jnana. So tayoscha upalambe karanam chakshu shrotre. Then in Tika it is said, tathapi ukta karmendriya vyaparena अनुक्त द्वय व्यापार अनुक्त तद व्यापार उपलक्षणात्. कर्मेंद्रिय व्यापार, so pranana and vagindriya vyapara, they are talked about, but padendriya vyapara is not given. Upalakshanat atmano na gantratvadi paricheda sangacchate vina sambandham upalakshana विना संबंधम उपलक्षण असिद्धेः इति आशंक्याः. Without sambandha, upalakshana is not possible. So now in Bhashya it is said, kriya cha, like this gamana kiya, kriya cha nama rupa sadhya prana samavayini. All kriya, prana you can include there. If prana is there, then only those kriyas are going to happen. So they have prana samavayini, means they are along with prana. तस्याः प्राणाश्रयाया अभिव्यक्तौ वाक्करणम्. तस्याः क्रियायाः प्राण आश्रयायाः. So all kriyas are ashrita in prana. Abhivyakto vag is karanam. For all nama, vak is karana. Okay. But for other kriya, other karanas are there. Tatha. Pani, pada, payu, upasthakyani. See, he gives now explicitly. Vak is one like that. Pani, pada, payu, upastha. All the karmendriya also, their kriyas also you should include. Tika. Sarva kriya nama rupa vyangya pranashraya cha tatra प्राणाश्रय नाम विषय उच्चारण क्रिया व्यंजकत्वम. Up to this, let us see. This Vyanjakatvam, you see how it is written? First Ja is written, then Ya is written, right? But when we pronounce first Vyang, then Jakatvam. So, if you understand, it is okay, but this is how the fonts work. Or if you want, you can write it. I am okay. I think in some languages they write like this. Incorrect. So then you make that. But I have seen somewhere like Siddha. Siddha. So how do we write? C, the, then the down, right? But in some book I saw Siddha Gita or something. Siddha first, then the, and it had come for proofreading to me. That's how I know. And they say, no, Swamiji, in our language we write like this. Anyway, you for whatever that you understand, you make note for yourself. Vyanjakatvam. It is there in that third line also in Tika, and fourth line also same kind of usage is there. And in fourth line, another mistake is there. Tasmad ekashraya kriya vyanja. At least that letter should be complete. After that, katva. So sarva kriya, see Tika. Sarva kriya nama rupa vyangya. All kriyas, they become expressed through nama and rupa. And they all are prana ashraya cha. Prana ashraya, how will you do vigraha? Prana,
Pranabhyam.
kriya is strilinga. And bahuvachanam, if you want, sarva. So how will you say? Prana ashrayo yasam kriyanam taha kriyaha pranashraya. Visarga lopa is there. Tatra 13 नंबर टिप्पणी च चकार वदनादि क्रियाणां मध्ये प्राणाश्रय नाम विषय उच्चारण क्रिया व्यंजकत्वम. प्राण आश्रय नाम विषय उच्चारण क्रिया व्यंजकत्वम. वाचो हस्तादीनां तद आश्रय आदानादि व्यंजकता. So नाम विषय उच्चारण क्रिया व्यंजकत्वम वाचः. हस्तादीनां तद आश्रय आदानादि व्यंजकता. Hasta will do adana pradana karma, means taking and leaving things, etc. Tasmad ekashraya kriya vyanjakatva योगात् उपलक्षण संभवात् आत्मनो गंतृत्वादि सिद्धिरित्यर्थः. Atma can be Ganta also because of this kind of Upalakshanam. Ekashraya Kriya Vyanjakatva Yoga. So, all Kriya, even Manasik Kriya, they are also Pranashraya. Because without Prana, no, you cannot do any Karmendriya Vyapara, you cannot do any Jnanendriya Vyapara, you can also not do any Manasa Vyapara. So, they all are Ashrita there. शक्ति द्वय उद्भव उक्त्या समस्त संसारस्य प्रतीचि अध्यासो अत्र विवक्षित इत्याह. शक्ति द्वय कार्य शक्ति विज्ञान शक्ति शक्ति द्वय उद्भव उक्त्या समस्त संसारस्य प्रतीचि अध्यासो अत्र विवक्षित. of the entire samsara pratichi means atmani adhyaso atra विवक्षितः. Atra means in this prakarana. एतदेव इति. एतदेव हि सर्वं व्याकृतं त्रयं वा इदं नाम रूप कर्म इति हि वक्ष्यति. In this way, सर्वं व्याकृतं. एतदेव means this much alone. To this extent alone, all the manifestings are. Means all manifestings are only within nama and rupa. And there will be another mantra, Trayam Vaidam Nama Rupa Rupam Karma Iti hi Vakshyati. Everything is Nama Rupa Karma. Idam is Jagat. Idam Jagat, Nama Rupa Karma. When it is Vyakrita or Avyakrita, it is all Nama Rupa. So like Ghata is there, is Vyakrita. Ghata is gone, destroyed. Ghata Nama means for this, it will become Avyakrita. Some person is there. Chaitra is there, Vyakrita Chaitra. Then Chaitra will become Avyakrita. So Nama has, it is still, same name will refer to Avyakrita entity. उक्ते अर्थे वाक्य शेषम अनुकूलयति त्रयमिति. आत्मा मन्वानः सन् मन इति उच्यते मनुते इति व्युत्पत्तेः इति वाक्यांतरम व्याचष्टे. नाउ अबाउट माइंड. आत्मा मन्वानः मन्वानः सन् मन इति उच्यते. व्हाई मनुते इति मनः? दिस इज द व्युत्पत्ति. मनुते इति मनः, this is bhava vyutpatti. If I say manute anena iti manaha, then what will be the meaning? What will be the meaning of manaha then?
Karana.
No, you see, pay attention to it. If you say manute iti manaha, then what is mind? What is the meaning of the word manaha? The one who is thinking is called manaha. If I say manute anena iti manaha, if I say manute, okay. Let's say I have lekhani. Lekhani is there, okay. Some pen is there. So, karana means the lekhani by itself is the karana. But if I say that by which somebody is writing, so then it is not referring to this thing. It is referring to the person. यह मनुते अनेन इति मनः, then मनः will become jiva. If bhava vyutpatti is referring to manah as mind, karana vyutpatti will say the one who has manah as, or this thinking thing as its instrument. So that person will be jivatma. So then manah shabda will refer to jiva.
Is it same as Manvana?
Not necessary. Here manvana pratika is given. Vakyantaram vyachaste manvana. Manvana, see, they are given there. Okay. In Bhashya, manute, manvano mano manute iti jnana shakti vikasanam sadharanam karanam manaha. Manute anena iti purushaha. See, it is given. Manute anena, if you say, then mana will become purusha. And manute iti, if you say, it is manaha. Then it is mind. Means one is referring to karta, another is referring to karana in this way. Manute anena iti purushastu karta san manvano mana ityuchyate. Then he is called manaha. Like pranan iva pranaha. So that person is called pranaha. That person can be called manaha also. Person can have all this identity. See in Vartik, first line, we'll just see the first reading. Mana ityuchyate iti. Sa pranan eva ityadi manvano mana ityantah shruti bhashya. So pranan pranaha. Then manute or manvana iti manaha. So he himself gets this sanya. In other words, we think I am prana. Means I am the one who has life. I am manaha means the one who is using mind so extensively that he thinks he is mind only. Identified with that in this way. And we say I am buddhi all the time, we think like that. See in Tika. Karane prasiddhasya mana shabdasya katham atmani vrittihi. Mana shabda is prasiddha in karana. But how you can use mana shabda for atma, katham vrittihi iti ashankya vyutpatti bhedam aha. I think you should, means if this point has registered, then you will appreciate the importance of vyutpattis. Like jnapti iti jnanam, right? That is knowledge, is bhava vyutpatti. If I say jnayate anena iti jnanam, then their jnanam will be buddhi, because that by which something is known. So it is not jnanam, it is buddhi. And if you say jnayate yasmin, then it will become adhikarana. That in which knowledge is there, there atma also you can use, means this jnata. So jnata, jnanam, jnanakaranam, depending upon vyutpatti, it can change. Further, atmadi shabdebhyo vishesham aha. Vishesha from atmadi shabda is shown. Vishesh means bheda. Tani etani pranadini asya atmanah karma namani. Pranadini. Prana is the name of Atma. Mana is the name of Atma. But these names are what kind of names? Karma nama. Based on what karma it does, it gets that name. Like how we saw Pachaka, Lavaka. So whatever karma he does, he gets that name. Like that, these are karma namani. Karma namani, karmajani namani. Karma namani eva, natu vastu matra vishayani. So it is based on karma, he gets that name. This is incomplete. This is the incomplete knowledge, because I don't get complete picture through just this name. That's why. Ato न वस्तु मात्र विषयाणि अतो न कृत्स्न आत्मवस्तु अवद्योतकानि. Therefore, they are not revealing the complete idea about Atma. We will complete this one line. Tika. Krishna Atmavastu Avadyotakani na bhavanti iti etadeva sputayati. Why they are not complete revealer of Atma, that he makes it clear. Evam hi asau Atma prananadi kriyaya tattat kriya janita pranadi namarupabhyam vyakriyamano avadyotyamano api. Asau Atma prananadi kriyaya, through this prananadi kriya, tattat kriya janita pranadi namarupabhyam, prana mana ityadi, by such vyakriyamana, he is having all this vikriya, gets subject to modifications. Avadyotyamano api. So in this way, he is avadyotya, means he is known. Anubhuyamana. 9 number tippani you mark, because sometimes later when you read, you will not know what is this. Tika. Pranadinam karmanamatve sati iti yavat. Pranadi are karmanama. Avadyotyamano api na kritsno drashtaha syat iti sheshaha. So it is not completely known. Drashtaha means jnataha. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.